ready to transform your edits with a massive toolkit of creative possibilities. Let's dive into how to easily access and master the power of effects and presets in Adobe After Effects. First, locate the Effects and Presets panel. You should see it docked on the right side of your screen within the workspace by default. If you don't see it, head to Window in the top menu and click on Effects and Presets to make it appear. Next, inside this panel, you'll find an organized list of effects and preset categories. You can easily browse through these categories by clicking on the arrow next to them to expand or collapse them. You can also use the search bar at the top of the panel, type in the name of the effect or preset you're looking for, and After Effects will filter the list to show you relevant results. Now, let's learn how to apply these effects onto a solid layer. Choose the effect you want to add, click and drag that effect onto your clip within the composition panel or onto your selected layer within the timeline. Once applied, the effect parameters such as color selection, opacity, or speed rate will pop up in the Effect Controls panel, usually located in the upper left corner here. You can adjust the settings to customize the effect to your liking. Tweak the parameters by clicking and dragging, or by directly entering values. Experimenting here is key. It gives you full control to modify your applied effects and achieve the desired visual results. And that's just the beginning. You can explore how keyframing parameters bring your effects to life. Use keyframes to create smooth transitions and dynamic animations using the wide library of effects directly inside After Effects. Remember, after experimenting, you can refine and combine multiple effects to craft your own unique styles. Now you're ready to unlock your creativity through the fantastic world of After Effects.